Alright guys, look. I found this. This is part 2. Okay, I want to finish up. Look. Remember how I was having a hard time with this rubber piece? Well, I used some trusty CM glue. I put it, say this is that side. See that groove? I put it in the groove. Okay? And then, we'll see it, CM glue. Put this in there very quick. Got some on my fingers, of course. Either way. And then sprayed this real fast, which is the activator. Okay? And then it hardened up. It's fine. Okay? This here is the door for the blades. So, you don't want to put it on all the way, obviously. It just hinges on this. Okay? It opens up like that. So, I'm going to go ahead and shut this thing first. If you guys can see it. Shut. Okay? Theoretically. So, there it is, shut. Look. It's having an issue with it. I swear to Jesus, but not this time. Okay. Boom, done. Got it. Perfect. It's just having a problem with this rubber piece. So, in, out. No blade in. Let's push that down, see if it works. It does. Locks it. Thank you, God. I just got to put the bolts in here. So I'll do that real fast. What you do is you go in reverse. It's a trick. Okay? You go in reverse. Well, as soon as you hear it click, that means the thread is ready to go. So you don't misthread it and have issues. There it is, guys. I'm happy. Got it. Look at it now. It's easier because the bolts are in, or the screws. Look at this. Push it down. Let's see. Yes. Alright, cool. It's fixed, guys. With that being said, look, hope I was able to help.